Hello friends, how are you? Hope you are doing well. Let us start our new topic called Esg Materiality Assessment. Okay, very interesting topic. Esg Materiality Assessment. This is a process used by organizations to identify and prioritize most significant issues, ESG issues that could impact their business performance and stakeholders' interests. Here's how a materiality assessment for ESG factors typically works. So let us understand that. First discussion will be about purpose of materiality assessment. So strategic alignment. Align ESG considerations with the organization's overall business strategy and objectives. Also identify and respond to the interests and expectations of key stakeholders, internal and external as well. Also, prioritize the ESG issues that pose potential risks or opportunities for the organization's financial and operational performance. Reporting and disclosure. This purpose is reporting and disclosure means informed, transparent and credible reporting on ESG performance to the stakeholders. Next, we discuss the key steps in ESG materiality assessment. What can be the key steps? First one is identify relevant ESG issues. How we identify? So we need to conduct certain internal assessment, review internal policies, operations, stakeholders' concerns to identify potential ESG issues. External benchmarking. We conduct benchmarking against industry peers, relevant regulations and ESG frameworks to identify commonly reported ESG issues. Next is stakeholder engagement. We identify stakeholders, we prioritize stakeholders, we determine key stakeholders and their interest in ESG issues. The engagement methods, we conduct surveys, interviews, workshops and stakeholder consultations to gather input on ESG priorities and concerns. Next is materiality matrix development. We prioritize the criteria, we set the prioritization criteria, we develop the criteria, impact, like examples are impact on financial performance, stakeholder interest, regulatory significance, to evaluate and prioritize ESG issues. Matrix construction, we plot identified ESG issues on a materiality matrix based on their impact, high, medium or low, and significance as well, high, medium or low. Then next step is validation and refinement. Internal validation first. We validate the materiality assessment results with key internal stakeholders. For an example, executive management, board of directors. Then external review. We seek an external validation or expert review to ensure alignment with industry best practices and stakeholders' expectations. Last step is integration into strategy and reporting. Integrate all the material ESG issues into the organizational strategic planning, risk management frameworks and operational decision making processes. Also, reporting, disclose material ESG issues and related performance matrices and indicators in ESG reports, sustainability reports and regulatory filings. The next discussion is about benefits of ESG materiality assessment. What will be the benefits? We focus on key issues, priorities, prioritize the resources, also and efforts on ESG issues that are most significant to stakeholders and the organization's long-term sustainability. Also, the benefit is risk mitigation. We identify and manage ESG risk effectively, reducing potential financial, reputational and operational risk. The next benefit can be enhancing the stakeholder trust and engagement by addressing key ESG concerns transparently and proactively. Also, there can be benefit of a strategic advantage, gaining a competitive edge by aligning ESG practices with business strategy, fostering innovation and capturing market opportunities. Last is what can be the challenges in materiality assessment, like data quality. Data quality is the main issue. ensuring accurate and reliable data on ESG performance metrics and impacts. This is the most important challenge. Complexity, managing the complexity of ESG issues across diverse geographical locations, business units, and supply chain. Also, one more challenge, adapting to evolving regulatory requirements, stakeholder expectations, and emerging ESG trends in the market. That's also the challenge. So, the effective ESG materiality assessment is very much essential for any organization to identify, to prioritize, and to manage ESG issues. Those are critical to their long-term sustainability and stakeholders' value creation. So, by integrating ESG materiality issues into strategic decision making and reporting processes, the organizations can enhance transparency, can enhance business resilience practices, and responsible business practices also in a rapidly changing global landscape. Thank you very much, friends. Let us start the new topic now.